As I've mentioned before, we strongly believe that the people who are going to be the tycoons of the future are the ones who are going to own the data. And part of this, the strategy and the hack, if you're a startup, is thinking about how do you disrupt the normal flow of data to get inside of that and then build a big company around that. It's partly why we love IoT and we love smart hardware and smart equipment, because it's a natural point to get the data that's otherwise pretty untenable to get. It's even more exciting when you're sitting at the nexus of two big markets that can emerge because you exist, which is why we love this next company. This next company really has the promise to transform healthcare and biotech by creating that missing glue of creating a data layer through a smart lab to connect dots that haven't been connected before. And so to tell us more, please welcome Aaron from Hardin Scientific.
Statistically, every person in the United States is going to be impacted by a rare genetic disease. But there's not enough resources for the development of treatments for everyone yet. This is a picture of my baby girl on the day she was born. Prior to this day, we didn't know three things. One, she would come early at 35 weeks, that she is a girl, and that she has cystic fibrosis. How does it make you feel to know laboratories around the world are using obsolete equipment that pioneered in the early 90s? It scares me. The equipment is ineffective, inaccurate, prone to frequent breakdowns, causing late night and weekend visits to the laboratory. This is 2018. That's not acceptable. We interviewed 284 laboratories and identified 35 pieces of equipment that are going to have the greatest impact on this industry. But it all starts with one. This is the laboratory incubator. 95% of a sample's life is spent inside of one of these incubators. We externalized all of the mechanical components that could break, all the sensors that could go obsolete, into external modules for plug-and-play repairs, upgrades, and expandability. And we put it on a powerful software platform so laboratories can have access to their data in real time for real-time monitoring, control, and access to the equipment records by authorized personnel within the respective organization. It's our vision to create a connected laboratory, a suite of equipment that give the ability for scientists to put their research and their experiments online. Imagine this. A laboratory can finish a procedure and they can publish that to our publication platform. And on the other side of the world, it can be downloaded for reproducibility. Science becomes the assembly of applications instead of the interpretation of incomplete methodologies. It's a $56.4 billion market globally, growing at 9% annually, $26 billion in the US. And this is how we make money. The initial equipment sale is 60% margins. It's hardware, that happens. But the modules is a recurring 80% margin. And then the software is 90% margins, and that's subscription-based. We are changing the lives of our customers so they can better change the lives of their customers. We are passionate about our customers and the lives that they save. My daughter is fortunate to have a condition that's well known and well studied. Others are not as fortunate. And we are proud to be a part of the life science industry. Thank you.